Hey guys, welcome back to another Dragonicwarfare video. In today's video, we're talking about Smart Devil. This is a screw protector dust-free box series. So as you can see, it is high quality. So I'm going to show you this and how easy it is to install, guys. So let's get into today's video. But this is by Smart Devil. You can purchase these through their website or through Amazon. So I'm very excited to do the unboxing and their professional installation kit. So been meaning to do this for a while, guys. It's been pretty busy, but you can see it says deep impact resistant, dust-free box series. Here in the back, quick installation screen protector. So pretty nice. Of course, it is wrapped in plastic, so it is for protection and everything. As you can see here, some of the hardness. It is level 5, glass thickness, 0.33 millimeters. Transmittance. So you can see all that explosion proof effect. Now fiction. I'm sorry, I'm kind of reading through the script, but as you can see, it is really good drop protection and everything over 5,000 drop tests. So pretty cool, guys. Let's get into it. I'm very excited. Like I said, this is not your average Joe screw protector. This definitely is high quality, and the price range is in the good middle. So it's not something cheap or nothing super expensive either. It's nice, budget friendly price. So let's get to the unboxing and we'll go from there. All right, guys. So as you can see, just stick to flip with your fingers. So I just stick a blade to it, but there it is. So here's the open. You can see better without the reflection of all that plastic. But pretty cool, guys. Here it is. Feels premium, good quality cardboard and everything. So let's get into it. It is made in China. Take this off real quick. There we go. Let's see what's actually inside. This is my first time actually unboxing this, guys. So I've never used one of these, but it's great and feels good. So let's get into it. Is there anything else in here? Nope. So it's just extra stuff. All right, guys. So here's what we get inside. It looks like pretty cool, actually. This is probably the funnest screw protector I've unboxed for sure. So Smart Devil, we offer better protection. So as you can see there, guys, little zoom in shot there, and a little bag with accessories, screen protector, and instructions. So it feels hard and also thick. So let's see. It says scan the QR code and activate the membership. Extend the after sale period by 2 years, guys. Wow. So looks like they give you a 2-year membership. Just open that up. That's everything inside. Wow. All right. Couple pieces here. So this looks like it's going to be the screen protector itself. Gives you pretty easy installation steps. So it says instructions, top. Step 1, cover your phone. Step 2, put down the exhaust and wait 10 seconds. Here it is. You also get warranty, extended service, guys. You can contact them with all the information there. There you go. Service support, so it does have warranty, return, exchange, refunds, and services. Warranty duration, non-members, 1 year. So you do get 1 year of warranty with them, and then 3 years when you become a member, which that's why you scan the little QR code. As you can see, it is fun, little cute, Smart Devil screen protector installation tips. So basically, just make sure you clean everything. It says heading stubborn bubbles. Oh, and then try to get rid of those stubborn bubbles. So pretty cool. Doesn't look too bad. I've installed many screen protectors in my lifetime. So you do get 3. Yep, these are upside down. Film installation toolkits. So pretty cool. You do get 3 of these. So cleaning wipes, dry wipes, and dust stickers. So pretty cool. So you do get something to clean it, dry it, and then take off the dust. So pretty nice. We get 3 of those. And then here it is, guys. I believe this is, ooh. So pretty cool. It looks like you actually get 2 screen protectors. Hold on, a bit more in here. Okay, cool. So it does look like you have two screen protectors. There's one in here in the kit and then an extra one. So it's pretty nice, guys. And this one's already installed on the little bracket. So once you put this on there, guys, you're just to tear this off or peel this back down like that. You should be able to install it. So it's pretty nice that they do give you two, and it seems pretty easy to do. As you can see, you put this on the top. So this is for the iPhone 6 Pro, guys. I'll go ahead and install it. And all right, guys. So as you can see, here's the phone. So my voice does sound a little bit different just because I put the camera in the back. But here's my phone. This is my personal iPhone 16 Pro. As you can see, so it's very nice that they did send me the correct one for this. And actually, you do get 3 screen protectors. That's my bad. The other one was under the plastic, guys. So that's why they give you 3 installation dust kits. So you do have one tray, but you do have 3 screw protectors. So you can basically you can use this 3 times. So if you do break one, you can install another one and so on. Or if you break it, you don't have to worry about the warranty. They still do give you the warranty, but it's nice that they do send you 3. So I'll definitely go ahead and extend my warranty. So let's get into the installation, guys. So first, open this one up. So like I said, it's pretty nice that they do give you 3. There's one in the tray, one in here, and I found this other one underneath some of the papers. So pretty cool. But let's get into it, guys. This should be pretty easy to do. Once we open this up, I'm very excited because my screen protector actually needs a new one. The one I currently have on it is pretty old and it's a cheap one that I bought, and it's definitely pretty scratched up. I know it's kind of hard to see through the camera, but let's go ahead and peel this off. So I'm going to install the new one. All right. Yep. So it's pretty scratched up. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and do this. So remember, first you want to clean it. There's a couple steps. The first step is going to be to basically wipe it clean and then dry it and then take off the sticky or the dust, sorry, with the dust sticker that they provide. So let's get into it. It shouldn't be too bad. And it's nice. A lot of cheap screen protectors basically that you get, guys, they're already dried up. This one has plenty of moisture, and as you can already see, it's picking up some of the dirt from my screen protector, but that's just from normal use. So I'm pretty excited about that. You also don't want to do this in a super dusty environment. So, just do it in your house. Make sure it's not super dusty. Or, you definitely don't want to do this in a job site. All right. That's the first step. The second step is to wipe it clean. So there we go. Get all the fingerprints and also any kind of dirt that's left on here. And you're going to dry it. So it's an important step here. And it's a microfiber cloth, so it's very, very soft, guys. All right, and last step is going to be to take off all the dust. You also want to just visually inspect it, make sure there isn't any dust on there, which it looks good to me. So now we're going to put this on top. As you can see, it's it fits like a glove, guys. So it's pretty easy there. And the last step, it says, so step 1 is cover your phone. Step 2, pull down the exhaust and wait 10 seconds. So let's go ahead and grip it pretty good. All right, and as you can see, it's starting to get all the bubbles out. You might have to just push it a little bit. You're supposed to guide it with your finger, but I just kind of let it do its thing so you can actually see it there. I don't know if you can kind of see where the bubble is disappearing there. So it's pretty cool. And then you just kind of want to help it a little bit with your finger. And there you go. So take this part off, which is the top part. I'd say you're supposed to do it with your finger, so I didn't really follow instructions, but so you can see, you can squeeze it there, and look at that, that's gone. Perfect fit. Wow. Then we'll be purchasing more from them. Look at that, guys. No bubbles, no dust, nothing. Let me go ahead and zoom out here for you guys. Whoops. Look at that, guys. Super easy. Anybody can do this. I mean, God, my son could probably do this, and he's a toddler. You know what I mean? That's how easy it is. Super convenient. Follow the steps. I know I made this video a little longer than what it should be, but guys, I'm amazed by this. Look at this. Remember, keep your installation kit here because you do have where you can install 2 other ones. So if this one ever cracks, keep these because you have 2 other ones to the screw decker. So that comes in handy. Very high quality. I'm definitely going to recommend this to all my viewers, which are you guys, my loyal subscribers. I will have links in the description below, guys. I'm very excited about this product. And also, I will show this off to my family and friends. So, like I said, check out the description below, guys. There will be a link so you can support them and support me, guys. Really good product. So, it's pretty nice to have a nice working screw protector. So remember, this is by Smart Devil, guys. I will have links in the description below for them. Highly recommend it, 100%. No bubbles, perfect fit. And the real test, guys, do you know I don't sugarcoat anything? Is it case friendly? So let's go ahead and put my case on it. Here it is. This is a Zag case. All right. And it looks like it's perfect. Check it out, guys. So it doesn't overlap or anything. Definitely case friendly, guys. 100% recommended. Looks brand new. I'm excited. I feel like I just got my iPhone 16 Pro again. So thank you, guys. This is Dragonicwarfare. More videos your way. Check out description below. I'm very excited to team up with Smart Devil and their screen protectors. Check out the description below. They will be in my videos. I 100% recommend them because I love their product and it works. Thank you, guys.